Welcome my channel today. Let's explore the 5-cent coin, featuring Queen Elizabeth II, is one of Australia's foundational decimal coins, introduced during the landmark transition from pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system in 1966. The 1970 edition, though not a rare year, carries both historical and cultural significance. This coin reflects not just monetary evolution, but also national identity and artistic representation during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Decimalization. Australia adopted decimal currency on 14th of February 1966, replacing the British imperial system. The 5-cent coin directly replaced the pre-decimal sixpence, both in size and value. Monarch representation. The obverse features Queen Elizabeth II, emphasizing Australia's status as a constitutional monarchy and a member of the Commonwealth. 1970 in Australia. The country was in a post-war economic boom. The year marked the bicentenary of Captain James Cook's 1770 voyage to Australia's east coast, a significant event in colonial history. Although the commemorative 50-cent coin was issued for this, the standard 5-cent coin continued in regular mintage. Obverse. Front. Portrait. Queen Elizabeth II. Designer. Arnold Machine. Description. A young laureate bust of Queen Elizabeth. Facing right, wearing the Girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Inscription. Elizabeth II, Australia, 1970. Design. Echidna, spiny anteater. A unique Australian monotreme. Designer, Stuart Devlin. Symbolism. The echidna symbolizes Australia's distinctive and ancient wildlife. Inscription. 5. Specifications. Composition, 75% copper, 25% nickel, Cooper nickel. Weight, 2.83 grams, diameter, 19.41 millimeters, edge. Plain mintage, approx. 41,400,000 mint location. Struck at the Royal Australian Mint, Canberra, ACT, Australia's primary minting facility since 1965. Circulation geography. These coins were used nationwide and also found in circulation throughout the South Pacific and other territories using the Australian dollar, including Papua New Guinea, prior to its own currency establishment in 1975. Coins in circulated condition will show wear on Queen Elizabeth's cheek, hair, and tiara. Flattening of the echidna's quills and the 5 numeral. Scratches and handling marks due to circulation. Estimated value in circulated condition, as of 2025. Low grade, VG to F. Face value to 010. AUD mid-grade, VF to XF. 015 to 040. UD uncirculated and collector condition uncirculated mint state, MS. Bright luster, no signs of wear. Sharp details on both the queen and echidna. May show minor bag marks from minting. Proof coins, if any produced for sets. Mirror-like fields. And frosted devices. Struck on specially prepared dies. Estimated value in uncirculated condition. MS60 to MS63. $1 to $3 AUD. MS64 to MS66. $4 to $10 AUD proof or mint set inclusion, $10 to $25 AUD. Note, these prices vary depending on current market demand and coin certification. Educational use. Highlights Australia's unique wildlife and currency system. Collector appeal. Popular among decimal collectors, especially those assembling complete year sets or Queen Elizabeth II era themes. Legacy. Serves as an example. For stable, functional design. The echidna motif has remained unchanged since its debut. The 1970 Australian 5-cent coin stands as a symbol of the country's transition into modernity, while retaining its ties to the British monarchy and its distinctive national character. Whether found in change or a collector's album, it remains a small yet enduring part of Australia's monetary heritage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe more coin collecting content.